Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into what coins to jump into during this market dip. A very large market dip of 6 to 7% across the board in the last 24 hours. You see Polkadot seeing a $42 price point just after it kind of recently had its all-time high push. We actually take a look here. If we go a little bit into details, we can see $55 basically being that all-time high push, now back down to $42.09. So what are these coins going to do next, and what coins should you be looking at specifically and possibly even buying or dollar cost averaging in on? Well, if we take a look at the losers, all losers, so that we can take a nice look at the top losers and take advantage of the highest discounted prices on Coinbase. These are going to be coins that are most likely coins that are going to be sticking around in this kind of crypto space for quite some time. So let's take a look at just a few. If we jump down a little bit, we are going to have Anchor as one of our first ones, seeing about a 12% decrease. A 12% decrease is going to give us a very solid price point to buy in. And I will say, guys, Anchor has a lot going for the good side of things. We have a lot of great things happening behind the scenes. We have a $1 billion market cap, only at 13 cents right now, continuing to lose some value. However, I will say this is a great time to buy, a great discounted 12% price point. I will say as we continue to see more and more coins dipping down, there's going to be a lot to talk about in the crypto space this week as we see them rise back up, probably Thursday, Friday, Saturday in the week as well. I want to jump back though and take a look at a few more coins because I did talk about really a top 5, but when I take a look at some of these coins, it's going to be hard to limit us to 5. Litecoin is not a bad option. Definitely not what I'm going to jump into right now. I don't think Litecoin's a hugely, massively undervalued coin. I think it's a coin that you could get in, definitely make some profits at, 11 to 12% of a decrease. But I want to talk a little bit more about Terra Luna because this coin did some pretty crazy things in the past. However, right now, seeing this big decrease of 11% could be a great time to jump in. I do think Terra is one of those that could continue to see profits, could continue to see, market cap rise in the next couple of weeks and months ahead at $19.3 billion right now. Definitely a coin with quite a bit of value. Definitely keep an eye on Terra Luna. It's a coin that has a lot of utility behind Terra Money, and kind of explain a little bit more about that. If you guys follow Terra.money on Twitter, it's going to be Terra Luna's all detail Twitter account there. I want to jump, though, a little bit farther into a few different coins. So Cardices one we talked about quite a bit as well. Same with Phantom. These are both coins that I'll say are coins you should be looking into. I'm not going to talk about them too much today because VeChain is down 10.6%, and that's going to be a heck of a sale for anybody looking to buy and hold VeChain. VeChain down 10.6%. You can actually see the dip coming all the way down to 14 cents, then rising a little bit back up and stabilizing at 15. Under $10 billion market cap right now for VeChain. A lot of hype continuing to be built up for VeChain, and VeChain itself is going to continue to have a rough time getting back to its all-time high of 28 cents. I do think, though, within the matter of time, we are going to see VeChain break its push back up to 25, 28 cent range by the end of the year at the very least. I think much higher than that possibly. So continue to watch VeChain. Definitely a coin I would continue to watch. Maybe one of those coins you are very happy about in 5 to 6 years if you are willing to hold that long. As we go to page 2, there's going to be a lot of coins that I want to talk about here. We'll start with Chainlink because I think Chainlink's always going to be an obvious choice, and it is even more so under $30. Under $30 Chainlink at $29.81, you're getting a 9 to 10% decrease. This is a huge discount for a lot of people looking to buy crypto. I think a lot of people, have friends, family that they're telling, now's the time to buy. If you're going to buy, you're seeing a decrease in the market. Well, Chainlink's one that I specifically would be telling my friends and family as I kind of have, when it was at $15. So right now at $29.81, still not a bad price point to be, trying to get them in again. Just remember, guys, I will say, always do your own research before giving any or jumping into any coins, as I'm not a financial advisor. But seeing under $30 Chainlink, like I said, definitely a value worth looking into. We have more to jump into, though. Jumping a little bit farther down, we have Internet Computer actually right at 9.5% of a decrease. Chili's above a 9% decrease. Not a bad coin at all really there as well. AVE having an 8.5% decrease. It did have a huge run already, though, so I'm not going to be jumping into AVE. I want to go to the next page, and this is going to bring us to FET. I think FET is going to be one that a lot of people don't really know too much about. I do encourage you guys to take a look at FET a little bit deeper and understand that this coin could have huge increases in the next couple of weeks as well. Seeing a 9% decrease right now, you're going to be getting a great price point on FET yet again. And there's been a lot of these dips in the crypto space within the last couple of months. But yet again, you have another opportunity as a 10% decrease in the last week for FET has occurred. As we jump down, I'm going to give you guys one more that I think is going to do very, very well within this next couple of years. This is going to be a long-term hold. It's going to be Theta.tv, Theta.drop. We have Theta, so much really taking place with Theta, and that's exactly why it's going to be one of my top 5 spots here. We have more to talk about when it comes to crypto on this channel, by the way, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with everything regarding crypto. We have so many coins to talk about, and Theta is one of them that we talk about on the channel because of a 20% decrease in the last week alone, all the way down to $6.35. A coin that once, by the way, did very, very well. If we take a look back, you can see this push up to $15.90. Hype, you can sell, does come down for every coin at some point in time. So make sure you're investing coins that have value. If this was a coin that had no value utility, this coin would be all the way down to something like $2, maybe even $1 at this point in time, in my opinion. But as it has value, as it has utility, we're still seeing the hype died off hype, not really bringing it completely all the way down to that $1 to $2 range. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date with all of these coins. Theta, definitely another one I would really watch out for. And if you are interested, make sure to do your own research before buying these coins. Like I said, a lot of volatility in the market right now, but a lot of opportunity as well. So this is definitely a time to take advantage of the market. If we jump back over, by the way, to Twitter, you're going to be able to see Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. You're going to want to follow me there for updates on crypto, as well as there is a Chainlink giveaway going on. So as promised, 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 link by the end of November. All you have to do is follow and retweet to be entered. So definitely follow me on Twitter and retweet this tweet to be entered to this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.